What is a galaxy? A century ago astronomers talked about only one galaxy, what they called the stellar system or the Milky Way. The term galaxy was used almost synonymously with universe, and when a distinction was drawn, the issue was mainly whether or not the universe had an extent beyond that of the stars. 25 years later our galaxy was established as one of many in the study of what Edwin Hubble had first dubbed extragalactic nebulae was burgeoning. Astronomers had analyzed the light of other galaxies spectroscopically and determined that it was starlight. We still take this as one of the defining characteristics of a galaxy. Its visible light comes primarily from stars. Today we are nearly overwhelmed with data on the immense diversity of galaxies, to the extent that it actually becomes difficult to write down a definition that distinguishes what is a galaxy from everything that is not. We live on a planet called Earth that is part of our solar system. But where is our solar system? It's a small part of the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems. A galaxy is held together by gravity. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, also has a supermassive black hole in the middle. When you look up at stars in the night sky, you're seeing other stars in the Milky Way. If it's really dark, far away from lights from cities and houses, you can even see the dusty bands of the Milky Way stretch across the sky. There are so many, we can't even count them all yet. The Hubble Space Telescope looked at a small patch of space for 12 days and found 10,000 galaxies, of all sizes, shapes, and colors. Some scientists think there could be as many as 100 billion galaxies in the universe. Some galaxies are spiral-shaped like ours. They have curved arms that make it look like a pinwheel. Other galaxies are smooth and oval-shaped. They're called elliptical galaxies. And there are also galaxies that aren't spirals or ovals. They have irregular shapes and look like blobs. The light that we see from each of these galaxies comes from the stars inside it. Sometimes galaxies get too close and smash into each other. Our Milky Way galaxy will someday bump into Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor. But don't worry. It won't happen for about 5 billion years. But even if it happened tomorrow, you might not notice. Galaxies are so big and spread out at the ends that even though galaxies bump into each other, the planets and solar systems often don't get close to colliding. Basically, galaxies are the fundamental units of structure in the universe where stars form. Theory currently holds that all galaxies are confined by the gravity of the dark matter halos that permeate and surround them. But there is recent evidence that some galaxies may be dark matter-free. It is also tempting to say that galaxies are where most of the ordinary matter in the universe resides, but recent X-ray observations have shown that there is actually more matter in the diffuse intergalactic gas than in the galaxies themselves.